So congratulations to Comic Elder wapiwa $150,000 na sewik no kana mwarada zvake blessings acho anongoya left right and center and aita like kuti gift iyi yauya ine way yekuda kutoshotesa Fadzai Mahere. Let me just read post yaSewiknewo yavanyora. Hanzi laughter is the greatest medicine. In a world where we often take life too seriously and where each day presents its fair share of trials and tribulations, laughter remains the purest therapy known to mankind. In Zimbabwe, young comedians have become the unsung healers of our nation through their social media skits. These talented youth have helped us manage our stress and keep us entertained. Today, I wish to celebrate an extraordinary young man who is known by countless stage names, which include Anna Mugwaku, Obvious Mututu, Alfred Mweya, Nico Dimashigo Vanyika, Jafet Kasadza, Potiphar Zhombo, Nathan Mutsetse, just to name a few. His natural humor has earned him great admiration across the country, and recently he received the highest recognition from His Excellent President Idi Mnangagwa at the National Youth Symposium. This exceptional talented artist is none other than Comic Elder, whose real name is Leroy Tadiwanase Zaware. For a young comedian to make the President of the Republic laugh is never a small achievement. More importantly, His Excellence words that ndafara neumfana sets you apart, and ukafaza president newo unenge wandifadza and wafadza nyika. Yes, I wish to thank His Excellence for his gift to Comic Elder, which reaffirms his principle of leaving no one and no place behind. By the way, hanzi leaving no one, but turikuona zvedu zvikunzi leaving no one, but turikuona vanhu vari kuselect koma 1-1, so asi pari kunzi leaving no one. Okay, let me continue. And from traditional leaders to churches, from entrepreneurs to artists, and from the elderly to the youth, the president gives national recognition to everyone who contributes in their own way to the social economic development of Zimbabwe. What a stupid person. As a small token of appreciation for your hard work and comical talent, which makes us laugh each day, and more specifically, which made the president laugh, please go and see my lawyer Skumbuzo Mpofu on Friday and collect $150,000 in cash so you can buy yourself a decent house in any area of your choice. For safety, the money can be transferred directly to your preferred bank account, or my lawyer can facilitate the purchase of your desired house and transfer it into your name. The choice is entirely yours. Let this gesture serve as an inspiration to all young people that with patience, hard work, and passion, your time will certainly come. In God's time, He will make everything perfect. To my young brother, Comic Elder, well done, and a big congratulations to you. Please continue to make Zimbabwean laugh. And your time will come. I don't know which year, but parikunzi, your time will come. Which means kuti vanhu vakadzidza vakaenda kuchikoro, your degrees are useless because employment is not being promised in anyhow, in any way. Zviri kunzi wait for your time. When is the time come? Vanoda kungovengesa vanhu, I think. Comic Elder, please, I don't know, but it's so difficult now to de-associate yourself because gift watowana kuZANU-PF. You now munhu weZANU-PF forever because kana wapo 150,000 wakunotenga imba wakunotenga, and I'm sure 150,000 is going to buy him a very decent house panapa. Nyaya yese pandatanga ndofunga mandinzwa achitaura kuti nyaya iyi inyaya yekuda kushotesa musikana wedu uyu Fadzai Mahere ndo ada kushotesa kuti Fadzai akabvirira kudhara akati ine country where akapa example yekuti Trevor Noah, ngatipe example yekuti Trevor Noah anenge akuda praise motor, a decent car from Ramaphosa. We need new leaders handika. And then after seeing that post, Sewiknewo tweeted kuti the caliber of global leaders and international finances the caliber of global leaders and international finances I associate myself with are far beyond your level. Neither yourself nor your principal or partner in romance, who is now self-exiled in the United States, can qualify to attend the kind of meetings I attend, even for the mere purpose of taking minutes. You need new leaders. Please put some respect on my name, not kuswera kutaura 2004 as if it has any relevance to my present life. And then the oil went on and on. You see, what offends you most is that I'm living proof that hard work and divine grace can make someone achieve greatness. You cannot accept that a young man you once dismissed as a criminal now travels the world in his private jet. Surely a prophet is not without honor, except in the rest is useless. hanzi naFadzai Mahere usaite hasha, are you not a criminal convict? We need new leaders. And ndobva amuratidza where he was convicted post acho paakanzi is a criminal. Handizi hangu kuti mukiona usei nyaya yacho yesei, this whole scenario yekuti motikari dziri kubuda, mari iri kubuda, not to jealous on Comic Elder. Comic Elder is my top 3. I said it fanava kuti is my top 3 munhu anonyatsogona kuita comedy. Ndomuisa ipapo, I rank him there. But atoita lucky rekutoti Sewikino is fighting naFadzai. And it was not kana vachifighta naFadzai is very much generous, and you make sure that you compensate through kutopa vanhu magifts ikoko ekuti munondiita sei. Anyway, this is a good gesture. Everyone is excited. Munhu wese ari kufara nekuti Comic Elder vapiwawo share yavo. Chinongoitika ndechekuti not everyone is going to get his share. Not everyone is going to get this opportunity of grabbing whatever ZANU-PF. It's only a handful. Ivo vacho ma-celebrities vari kunyatsoratidza government yedu kuti ende kuchikoro, but it's useless kuti you study, wapedza kustudy wakamirira basa, usatombomirire zvako basa, endai muno go and do something else. Otherwise chinoita kuti murecognize negovernment. Otherwise if you stay in your comfort zone uchifunga kuti uchaitirwa something negovernment uri nedegree rako wakaribata, no, there's no such a miracle that is going to happen. I'm going to stand at this moment to actually say that the government is totally rubbish, bullshit, and with this, we are not going anywhere. We are not going any far. They've got the resources. They've got the money to employ us. You see that 150,000 iripoi. Imagine kuti nema $150 ari kupiwa vanhu masalary, nema $200 ari kupiwa vanhu masalary. How much can they can pay, they can manage to squeeze in that money for employer a certain amount of people for years. Because mari dzatiri kuhorwa nevanhu, it's too small. They can run a project, you know, kuti vanhu vane madegree vane chiongonzi, vanhu vane vakaitawo teaching, uyai kana kuti kwavhurwa chakati chikoro, kana kuti vanhu vakaita certain degree tikudai kuti muite project yakati, you know, kungototi vangowanawo kuma-150 wawo. But no, they are choosing one individual for the rest to suffer utsinye. We definitely need new leaders, as far as I is saying. But it's all talk. We need new leaders. How? Twitter say your government yacho ive ndopa kutonetsa ipapo moyo wedu, it's just like shattered. Every day we just hear the word we need new leaders, but what action are we doing? What are we putting into this kuti tikudama new leaders acho? I don't know. We can all talk, but without any action, we are not going anywhere with our country. I don't know what you guys think, but development in Zimbabwe, I watch it next door. Atina development, akuna kwatiri kuenda senyika. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. When you are a subscriber, please make sure that you are subscribed, and see you in my next video.